Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 5 with me Trividia and my friends Suni Muhammad, Dina Roslutfiana, and Anissa Rahma. We will present the result of our discussion about the progress of our previous project through 4 questions. The first question is, what material would you like to discuss? The material we would like to discuss is narrative text. This material covers several important components, namely text structure, orientation, complication, and resolution. Linguistic features such as the use of past tense and action verbs and story elements such as the main and supporting characters, conflict, plot, and moral values. Narrative text was chosen because this material is often considered abstract by students if it is only taught in theory. By combining it into a game, we hope that students can understand the content and structure of narrative text gradually, enjoyably, and based on their experience. Next.
Okay, thank you for your time. The kind of manual tools what we want to develop is a medium a game board that is snack and ledger game with a 15 squares, and this board game is designed as an interactive learning medium where each group of students will move through the squares of the game and answer the question related to material that is narrative text. In one row containing 10 squares, half of them contain a question and the other half contains silent error surprise. The question and challenge are graded ranging from a basic material such as a text structure to analytical material such as finding the moral value of narrative story. With this concept, the board game not only function as a game, but also uh, a learning tools that can improve students' cognitive and kinesthetic understanding, participation, and engagement. I think that is enough for me.
We are developing this learning media in several stages. The first stage was identifying the material and determining the competencies we want to achieve from the narrative text lesson. And then after understanding the learning objectives, we began to brainstorm idea for the type of media we want to create. From several possible options, we agreed to use a snacks and ladder board game as our main learning media because it is simple, easy to play, and very familiar to students. The next stage was to design the concept of the game flow, including the number of squares, the difficulty levels, the placement of question, and the types of challenges that will be included as variation to make the game more engaging and less monotonous. However, at this point, our group is still in the stage of developing the core concept or theme. We have only completed the general idea, such as the division of levels and the gradual increase in difficulty. We have not yet started creating the question. Challenges are the visual design of the board, and this will be developed in the next stage. Once all the questions have been created, we will move on to design the board layout and conducting a trial run of the game to ensure that the media function effectively before producing the final product. And then the next material will be present by Anissa.
Okay, the next is, how is your team working? Are you working collaboratively? For now, the team's performance is still in its early stage because we are just compiling the main ideas for the learning media. Each member has contributed ideas and input related to game mechanic, material distribution, and question concept. We discuss openly and every opinion is taken into account as material for media development. However, because the process is still in the early stage of ideation and overall assessment of the team's performance will be more apparent in the next stage when we begin to define concrete tasks such as creating questions, designing the game board, compiling the rules, and decorating the media. Once all members begin carrying out their respective tasks, the teams collaboratively work can be assessed more clearly. Nevertheless, so far we have demonstrated our commitment to working together, discussing actively, and completing this learning media collaboratively. Okay, this is from our group. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.